Ever wonder how top course creators launch so fast? Let's dive into the powerful world of Kajabi AI tools. Kajabi AI features Amma, a smart assistant that generates structured course outlines and lesson content instantly. The platform excels at marketing by drafting persuasive sales emails and high-converting landing page copy for you. You can generate catchy social media posts or professional video scripts to promote your digital products easily. While the AI is fast, it needs your human touch to add unique brand personality and deep emotional connections. Personal anecdotes and specialized expertise are things AI cannot replicate, so always edit your initial drafts. Start your workflow by defining your target audience and the specific transformation your course will deliver. Use the generator to build a foundation, then refine it with your own insights to ensure absolute accuracy. This tool is a collaborative partner that handles heavy lifting, so you can focus on high-level business growth. Are you ready to use AI to scale your business? Share your thoughts and follow for more expert tech tips.